When survival rifles are concerned, individuals tend to pursue fancy equipment and expensive firearms. However, during an actual crisis, such as a power blackout, lost in the forest, or defending your property, you require something basic, rugged, and inexpensive. In this video, we will present to you 12 survival rifles that you can purchase for about $300 or less. They're not collector's pieces. They're functional tools that can hunt, protect, and last for decades, even with minimal maintenance. Let's get started. The Savage Axis 2XP is an affordable bolt-action rifle with some serious punch. It features a 22-inch barrel, a Bushnell scope, and an adjustable trigger. You can have it in calibers, such as .3, .08, or .30. Odd 6, a fine choice for deer hunting or home defense. It's accurate for most shooters and simple to operate, even in inclement weather. Weighs just over 6 pounds, so it's light enough to tote around. Under $300, this is a solid, do-it-all survival rifle designed to endure. The Ruger 1022. Takedown is the greatest .22 survival rifle. It's easily disassembled in seconds and can be stored in a backpack. It's extremely lightweight at 4.5 pounds and fires cheap, readily available. .22 LR cartridges. It's perfect for small game, target shooting, or introducing new shooters. There are plenty of upgrade options, from scopes to 10-round mags. Basic, durable, and lightweight, it's an ideal choice for bug-out kits or camping. The Stevens Model 301 is a break-action, single-shot shotgun. It's available in 12-20 or .410 gauge with a 26-inch barrel. It's light, extremely easy to use, and a snap to maintain. With birdshot, it's perfect for bird hunting. With buckshot or slugs, it's good for defense or larger critters. It forces you to be precise because you can only take one shot. If you're looking for a no-frill shotgun that's rugged and reliable, here it is. The SKS is a vintage military rifle from the 1940s. It shoots 7.62 by 39 millimeter ammo, the same as an AK, and takes 10-round stripper clips. It's famous for being extremely tough and simple to clean. It has a 20-inch barrel and steel receiver, and it's heavy, but that aids in recoil. It's not a sniper, but it's accurate at medium ranges. You can depend on this rifle even if you don't clean it frequently. A robust, tried-and-true option. The Rossi Rs22 is an affordable .22 LR semi-automatic rifle. Weighs just 5 pounds with an 18-inch barrel. The trigger is good, and it's accurate enough for small game or target shooting. Under $200, so excellent for families or backups. Throw on a cheap red dot or scope, and you have yourself a good field rifle. It's easy to use, lightweight, and reliable. Good choice if you need several rifles without shelling out big bucks. The Henry AR-7 is designed for survival. It fires .22, linear and fully stores within its floating stock. That includes everything in there: barrel, action, and mags. It weighs only 3.5 pounds and measures 16 inches when loaded up. Easy to tote around, in a bag, boat, or car. Not for defense or big game, but ideal for rabbits or birds. Simple, compact, and designed for emergencies. It's a survival rifle designed to go anywhere. Remington 870 Express is perhaps the most popular pump shotgun ever made. It's rugged, simple to use, and accepts birdshot, slugs, or buckshot. Perfect for hunting, home protection, or camp defense. You can interchange barrels from 18 to 28 inches. It's durable enough even with thousands of rounds. It's a bit heavier, but extremely reliable. A fantastic all-around shotgun that's been relied upon for decades. The Marlin Xt-22 is a bolt-action .22 rifle that is noted for its accuracy and robustness. It features a 22-inch barrel and weighs approximately 6 pounds. It is available with either a tube or magazine feed. Bolt action is equal to less issues in dirt or mud. Excellent for small game and sneaky shooting. Basic, sturdy, and easy to instruct novices with. A reliable rifle for people who appreciate clean shots rather than automatic gunfire. The Mossberg 702, Plinkster is a light .22 LR rifle designed to be fun, but it's perfect for survival as well. It's semi-automatic, only 4 pounds, and comes with a 10-round magazine, easy to handle and extremely accurate for small games. Also, an excellent truck gun or backup rifle. Spare magazines and parts are readily available. Extremely cheap and perfect for anyone in search of a reliable .22. The Savage 64F is a simple semi-auto .22 rifle. It has a 21-inch barrel, a 10-round magazine, and weighs around 5 pounds. It ain't pretty, but it does the trick. Easy to shoot, easy to carry, and accurate for shooting small games. Great for newbies or as a backup. Under $200 and works well if you maintain it. Simple, cheap, and good for learning or survival. The Henry Lever Action .22 is an American classic. It shoots .22 LR, .22 long, and .22 short. Excellent for hunting, target practice, or educating children. Smooth, quick, and loads of fun to shoot. With a barrel 18 to 20 inches long and a weight of only a little over 5 pounds, it's lightweight to carry. Over a dozen rounds fit in a tube mag. Easy to care for and reliable. Built to endure for a lifetime. A classic survival choice. The Kel-Tec Sub2000 Gen 2 is a folding carbine that fires pistol ammunition, such as 9mm or .40 S&W. It folds in half, measuring just 16 inches. Perfect for bags or cars, just 4.5 pounds. Best of all, it feeds regular handgun magazines, such as Glock or Beretta. That means you can use ammo common with your pistol. Excellent for self-defense, easy to carry, and very practical. A good choice for bug-out strategies or car kits. There you go, 12 survival rifles for under $300. That show you don't have to break out the high-dollar rigs to be ready. Need to hunt, defend your house, or simply have a solid backup. In a bad situation, these rifles deliver. Which one would you use if the lights went out tomorrow? Leave your choice in the comments. As the video, subscribe for more, and as always, stay sharp. Thanks for watching.